Yes. That seems to work well enough. Henrietta Hoover, or Henry that's been to a gay bar Hoover. Oh, look at these pictures. They're amazing. Oh. Oh, aye. Right, anyway, this video is about that Hoover. Don't know if it's supposed to be pink, but it might have been red when it was new. Okay, right. Thanks for watching. Well, it needs the filter is outside. I'm going to try and figure out how to clean it. It was all blocked when I got it. I've cleaned it all. Okay, Mittens, what do you think? Right. Okay, well, thanks for watching. You can see it works. It works, it works, it works. The handle's missing off the top. The handle thing. It's one of these situations where I'm thinking about, oh, this is so good, I might keep this myself, but then I'll end up keeping everything, wouldn't I? I wouldn't be able to move. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Blah, blah, blah. Please like, share and subscribe. And I'll give you one last blast. Oh, yeah! Oh, dearie me! Brilliant. Bye.